Today I'm going to show you how you can fix my AI chatbot not showing on Snapchat. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Once you do this, you want to then search for Snapchat and just make sure Snapchat is on the latest update. So if Snapchat is on the latest update, what we can do is we can open up the Snapchat app. We then need to click to go over to our settings, so click on the icon in the top left hand corner. Click on our settings icon in the top right. And what we need to do now is we simply need to scroll down till we see the option for clear cache. So keep scrolling down towards the bottom of this page. And eventually you'll see under account actions right there is an option now for clear cache. So if we click on this and clear cache, what that will do is it will essentially reset the Snapchat app. What you want to do then is you want to head out of Snapchat and you simply just want to close it down. Then you want to open Snapchat back up. And then what we can do now is we can head over to the little messages icon right there. And then as you can see now, there is an option now for My AI. Click on My AI. And then what you will notice is that your AI chatbot should then be listed right there.